Hey, it's your TC Josie. I wanted to hop on really quick because I'm getting my open to close all set up. I had to go ahead and buy a domain to have a G Suite or Google Workspace account so that I could work in open to close. And I was having an issue because I have a team that I use their transactions at teamname.com and I wasn't able to put them as an alias on my personal G Suite account. I kept getting this error message here. It didn't look exactly like this, but it said exactly that. So if you're getting this message, this video is for you, and I'll walk you through how to fix it. So the first thing you're probably going to be doing is going to opentoclose.com, and you can figure out how to do an alias on the blog section right here, how to set up a Gmail alias, and it'll walk you through step by step. If you're a visual person, feel free to hop on my YouTube channel, TC by Josie, and I have a video called Gmail Aliases and Email Forwarding, and that will walk you through the process of adding an alias. And this is basically allowing you to send an email from a different email address within open to close. So when you go ahead and try this and you're getting that error message I showed you before, you're going to want to go into your Gmail or your G Suite email settings. So you'll go to admin.google.com and then you'll click apps and then Google Workspace. You'll come down and click Gmail. That'll take you to the settings for Gmail. And then you'll scroll down to end user access. And then scroll down to allow per user outbound gateways. You'll check this box here, and they say it'll take up to 24 hours. It happened for me in about an hour. So how you'll check if it's working, you'll go back and you'll complete these steps and it'll allow you to go through. That's how you know it worked. So once you go ahead and add your alias, you'll want to log in, and then you'll go down here to your settings and then email addresses. And this is my new one, the one that I was having issues with. So this wouldn't already populate your alias. So you'll want to resync email addresses. Once you hit this button, that new one will populate. Let me know if you have any issues. I'm happy to walk you through it one-on-one. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to help.